Today's sponsor. With Bonus VPN, you'll be able to change your region on your Netflix and watch all the shows you want. Check out the link down in the description below. And here we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Echo Show 5 that I got for sale for $65 Canadian. It used to be $100, but now you'll be able to get it for about 60% of the original price. Echo Show is basically a little screen for your home where it has the Amazon Alexa built into it, and you'll be able to just call out Alexa anytime you want. You can also see your security camera on the display. In some cases as well, if you set up your Skype, you'll be able to call other people through that as well. For those of you who haven't had Alexa or Echo Show or anything like that, this is the best device for you so that you can go ahead and start off yourself on smart home. Very nice touch here by Amazon. It has an imprinted logo on the back of the plug. Now let's go ahead and take off this plastic so that we can set up our Amazon Echo Show 5. Now that we unwrapped everything here, now we're gonna go ahead and plug in our Amazon Echo 5. Now let's go ahead and plug this thing and it'll start up. As you can see, there's a lot of inputs here that they have on the Amazon Echo 5. Volume rockers up there and also the silent toggle up top. A few headphone jack as well so that you can hook it up to a bigger speaker. Now let's go ahead and do the initial setup for the Amazon Echo 5.
Hello, ready for setup.
Now we're gonna connect it to our home Wi-Fi. Once we are connected to the Wi-Fi, now we're gonna log into our Amazon account. Now let's go ahead and tell Amazon Echo 5 our time zone. Go ahead and choose on where you want your Amazon Echo Show. And also, if you want to change your Amazon Echo Show name, you'll be able to do that here as well. We'll just choose the default name. If you want to update, you can update now. I'm gonna skip this for you guys. While that's updating, now you can go ahead and go to the Apple Store and download Amazon Alexa app. Go ahead and log in to your Amazon account and you can add the device when the update is ready. Here you can go ahead and check out all the devices, smart home devices that you can add in Amazon Alexa. Here we're just looking at the Amazon Echo Show. Once the update is done, now you can go ahead and use your Amazon Echo Show 5. Hey Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the turtle break up with the giraffe? They never saw eye to eye.
Just like that. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial / unboxing of Amazon Echo 5. This is just the initial setup, and I'm gonna go ahead and make more videos on what we can do with Amazon Echo Show 5. Hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well, comment below and share this to your friends. Have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.